Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tutorial, Handling JWT Token Theft in OAuth 2. Overview of JWT and OAuth 2. JSON Web Tokens, JWT, are widely used for authentication and information exchange in web applications. They are compact, URL-safe tokens that can be used to verify the sender's identity and ensure the information has not been altered. OAuth 2 is an authorization framework that allows third-party applications to obtain limited access to a user's resources without sharing their credentials. However, if JWT tokens are stolen, for example, through XSS attacks, man-in-the-middle attacks, or insecure storage, unauthorized users can impersonate legitimate users, leading to severe security risks. Steps to mitigate JWT token theft. 1. Use HTTPS. Always use HTTPS to encrypt data in transit, preventing attackers from intercepting tokens. 2. Short-lived tokens. Use short expiration times for access tokens. This limits the window of opportunity for an attacker to use a stolen token. 3. Refresh tokens. Implement refresh tokens to allow users to obtain new access tokens without re-authenticating. 4. Token revocation. Implement a mechanism to revoke tokens, such as maintaining a blacklist of stolen tokens. 5. Scope and permissions. Use scopes to limit the permissions granted to tokens. If a token is stolen, the impact will be minimized. 6. Secure storage. Store tokens securely on the client side, avoiding local storage and using secure cookies instead. 7. Use JWT claims. Include necessary claims in the JWT, like AUD, ISS, EXP, etc., to validate the context in which the token is used. Code example, JWT token authentication flow. Below is an example of how to implement JWT authentication in a Node.js application using Express, JSON WebToken, and a fake user database. 1. Setting up the environment. Install the necessary packages. Bash. npm install Express JSON WebToken body parser. 2. Basic server setup. JavaScript. Const express equals require, express. Const JWT equals require, JSON WebToken. Const body parser equals require, body parser. Const app equals express. Const port equals 3000. Const secret underscore key equals your underscore secret underscore key, / use a strong secret key. App use, body parser.json. / fake user database. Const users equals ID, 1, username, user 1, password, password 1. ID, 2, username, user 2, password, password 2. / authenticate user and issue JWT. App post, / login, req, res, equals. Const username, password equals req body. Const user equals users.find, u equals u.username equals username and u.password equals password. If, user. Return res.status, 401, .send, invalid credentials. / create a token with a short expiry. Const token equals jwt.sign, id, user.id, username, user.username, secret underscore key, expires in, 15m. res.json, token. / middleware to verify token. Function authenticate token, req, res, next. Const token equals req headers authorization and req headers authorization dot split, 1. If, token, return res.send status, 401. jwt.verify, token, secret underscore key, air, user, equals. If, air, return res.send status, 403. req user equals user. Next. / protected root. apt-get, / protected, authenticate token, req, res, equals. res.send, hello $req user.username, this is your protected data. / start the server. app listen, port, equals. console.log, server running on http / localhost $port. 3 Token revocation. Implementing token revocation can be achieved by maintaining a blacklist of revoked tokens. JavaScript. Let revoked tokens equals new set. app post, /logout, authenticate token, req, res, equals. Revoked tokens.add, req headers authorization.split, 1. res.send, logged out successfully. Function authenticate token, req, res, next. Const token equals req headers authorization and req headers authorization.split, 1. If, token revoked tokens.has, token, return res.send status, 401. jwt.verify, token, secret underscore key, air, user, equals. If, air, return res.send status, 403. req user equals user. Next. For conclusion. In summary, while JWT tokens provide a convenient way to manage authentication and authorization in web applications, they can be vulnerable to theft. Following best practices such as using HTTPS, short-lived tokens, token revocation, and secure storage can significantly mitigate the risks associated with token theft. Always be vigilant and continuously assess the security of your application.